video, you will see how learners effectively stretch out a sentence, building on it bit by bit, using the long E spellings.
All right, hello everybody. We are doing stretch stories, kind of like comics, but not. Jason, here you've got. You want to read us yours?
Okay, this is called The Flea. The flea has teeth. The flea drinks on a sheep. The flea drinks on
Tea on.
tea on the sheep on the sea.
Very good. I love it. What does yours look like here?
An eel on a tree. An eel and a tree bleat.
For that activity, I was fortunate enough to have a store of long strips of paper, which I then folded and gave to the learners. However, if you don't have long strips of paper, you could either cut a A4 page into strips and staple them together, or you could just have the learners do this activity in their books. Remember, it's always a good idea for them to generate some possibilities when it comes to words that they could use, depending on which phonic sound you are focusing on.